Eager to discover the top 5 AI stocks for 2024, you've come to the right place. We're about to embark on a journey into the world of artificial intelligence and the leading players that are shaping this rapidly evolving landscape. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword anymore, it's a reality, and it's permeating every corner of our lives. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is revolutionizing the way we live, work, and play. It's no wonder then that the market for AI is projected to grow exponentially in the coming years. The AI sector is a hotbed of innovation and opportunity. It's a space where the boundaries of technology are constantly being pushed, and where the potential for growth is immense. If you're an investor, this makes the AI sector a tantalizing prospect. But with so many companies vying for a piece of the AI pie, how do you know which stocks to invest in? That's where we come in. We've sifted through the noise to bring you the top 5 AI stocks that we believe are poised for success in 2024. These companies are not just riding the AI wave, they are shaping it. They are the innovators, the disruptors, the game changers. They are leveraging AI to solve real-world problems and create value in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. In the lineup, we have Palantir, a company that's making waves in the field of data analytics. Then there's NVIDIA, the powerhouse behind many of the world's most advanced AI systems. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is redefining social interaction with its vision for a virtual reality. Microsoft, a pioneer in the AI field, continues to innovate and lead. And last but not the least, Google, a titan in the AI industry, is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with machine learning and AI. So, are you ready to delve into the fascinating world of AI and the companies that are leading the charge? Without further ado, join us as we dive into the first of our top 5 AI stocks for 2024. Kicking off our list is none other than the data analytics powerhouse, Palantir. Palantir, a name derived from J.R.R. Tolkien's fantasy epic, has been a beacon of innovation since its inception in 2003. This Silicon Valley champion has been at the forefront of data analysis, turning raw data into meaningful insights for organizations worldwide. But what sets Palantir apart isn't just its ability to crunch numbers, it's the way it has harnessed the power of artificial intelligence. From predictive policing to fraud detection, Palantir's AI-driven platforms are reshaping the way organizations operate. Palantir's Gotham and Foundry platforms are prime examples of this. Gotham, utilized by defense and intelligence agencies, leverages AI to forecast potential threats and provide strategic solutions. On the other hand, Foundry serves businesses and industries, transforming raw data into actionable intelligence. But the potential growth for Palantir is what's truly exciting. As more organizations realize the power of data, the demand for Palantir's services is expected to skyrocket. The company's revenue has grown consistently over the past few years, and industry experts predict this growth to continue, if not accelerate, in the coming years. Moreover, Palantir is not just sitting on its laurels. The company is constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in data analytics. Just last year, Palantir introduced a suite of AI-driven products that aim to revolutionize industries from healthcare to manufacturing. What's more, Palantir's leadership is committed to the pursuit of AI. Alex Karp, the CEO, has spoken passionately about the transformative power of artificial intelligence and the role it will play in Palantir's future. So here's the bottom line. Palantir is an AI force to reckon with. It's an innovator, a disruptor, and a game changer. It's a company that's not just riding the AI wave, but shaping it. Clearly, Palantir is making waves in the AI industry, making it a prime candidate for your 2024 portfolio. Next up, we have NVIDIA, a major player in the AI hardware scene. Known for its cutting-edge graphics processing units, or GPUs, NVIDIA has carved out a unique niche in the realm of artificial intelligence. But what makes NVIDIA so special? The answer lies in the power of its GPUs. These aren't just for rendering stunning video game graphics anymore. They're at the heart of the computational requirements for AI. Whether it's deep learning, machine learning, or any other AI-related task, NVIDIA's GPUs are often the engine behind it. Picture this. AI computations are like a complex, multi-layered maze. Traditional CPUs are like a person trying to navigate this maze one step at a time. But NVIDIA's GPUs, they're like a bird's-eye view, solving the maze in parallel all at once. This is what makes NVIDIA's hardware indispensable for AI. But NVIDIA isn't resting on its laurels. the company continues to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI hardware. From data centers to autonomous vehicles, NVIDIA's technology is powering a wide range of AI applications. And with the ever-growing demand for AI capabilities, NVIDIA's market position is stronger than ever. The company's financials tell a similar story. NVIDIA's revenue has been on a steady upward trajectory, driven by strong demand for its GPUs. The company's AI-focused business segments have been particularly strong performers, underscoring NVIDIA's leading role in the AI industry. Looking ahead, NVIDIA's future growth prospects are bright. The AI market is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, and NVIDIA is well-positioned to benefit from this trend. The company's deep expertise in AI hardware, combined with its strong market position, puts it in a prime spot to capitalize on the AI revolution. So what does all this mean for investors? Simply put, NVIDIA is a force to be reckoned with in the AI industry. Its powerful GPUs are critical for AI computations, and its continuous innovation and strong financial performance make it a compelling investment opportunity. With its dominant market position and continuous innovation, NVIDIA is a solid choice for any AI-focused investor. Third on our list is Meta, the company that's redefining our social interactions through AI. Once known as Facebook, the social media behemoth has taken a leap of faith into the future, transitioning its focus to the realm of artificial intelligence. Their ambition: to create a hyper-connected world through the metaverse, a virtual reality space where users can interact with a computer-generated environment and other users. But Meta's vision doesn't stop at a social level. The company is heavily investing in AI research, developing technologies that could revolutionize not just how we communicate, but also how we work, play, and learn. From AI chatbots to deep learning algorithms, Meta is at the forefront of AI innovation. This focus on AI, coupled with its already dominant position in the social media market, gives Meta a significant potential for growth. As the company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, investors are taking notice. With Meta's ambitious plans, this is certainly a stock to watch in 2024. At number 4, we have Microsoft, a pioneer in the world of AI. With its inception in the mid-70s, Microsoft has been at the forefront of technological revolution for decades. Yet, it's their work in the realm of artificial intelligence that truly stands out. Microsoft has made significant strides in AI, with a focus on making AI accessible and valuable to everyone. They've launched AI-based products and services that are changing the way we work and live. From Cortana, their digital assistant, to Azure's AI solutions that are helping businesses to optimize operations, Microsoft is defining the future of AI. Microsoft's AI for Health program is another testament to their commitment to AI. This program uses AI to empower researchers and organizations tackling some of the toughest challenges in global health. Moreover, their AI for Accessibility program is breaking down barriers and creating opportunities for people with disabilities. This initiative is a prime example of how Microsoft is leveraging AI to make a positive impact on society. But it's not just about the products and services they offer, it's about the vision they have for AI. Microsoft believes in a future where AI enhances human ingenuity and productivity. With a proven track record, a commitment to innovation, and a vision that aligns with the future of technology, Microsoft is not just a pioneer but a leader in the AI industry. With its deep-rooted presence in the AI industry, Microsoft is a tried-and-true investment for 2024. Last but certainly not least, we have Google, a titan in the AI industry. When we think of Google, the first thing that comes to mind is the search engine. However, Google's work in artificial intelligence goes far beyond that. Google's AI is embedded in a multitude of its products. From its search algorithms that we use every day, to the voice-activated Google Assistant, to the self-driving cars developed by Waymo, a subsidiary of Google's parent company Alphabet. The company's dedication to AI innovation is relentless, and it continues to pave the way in this field. Google has also made significant strides in machine learning, a subset of AI. Its machine learning algorithms power Google Photos and Google Translate, enhancing the user experience and setting the bar high for competitors. But it's not just about the current applications. Google's potential for future growth in AI is immense. The company is consistently on the forefront of research, often publishing groundbreaking papers in the AI field. It's also heavily invested in quantum computing, a technology that could revolutionize AI by exponentially increasing processing power. Google's market position is solid. As of 2024, it's one of the most valuable companies in the world, and its share price reflects its dominance. Given its wide-ranging AI initiatives, Google is a must-have in your AI stock portfolio for 2024.